Hello everyone, today's video is on how to prepare rice and vegetable sauce with spinach and turkey meat. Thank you. To make this, we need turkey, scotch bonnet pepper, 2 onions, salt, 4 tomatoes and 1 bell pepper, our spinach leaves, thyme, 2 seasoning, our crayfish, and oil. Spring onions also. We start by putting oil in a pan. Put some onions. We fry. Add your turkey. Cut your turkey to your desired size. Add some salt in it. Your seasoning. And then stir properly. Then thyme. Add thyme also. Stir. You see now that the turkey meat starts to change color. So when the meat starts getting cooked, don't add any water. Then you cover it and allow to cook. You will see now that this sauce you are seeing there is coming out from the meat itself. When it's cooked very well, stir very well and set aside. Then you heat oil in a pot. Add your onions. Some pepper. Stir very well. Add some thyme and paprika. Stir. Then your tomatoes. I cut my tomatoes and removed the seeds. Now you cook the tomatoes and ensure that it is properly cooked. That is what we have here. We add some crayfish here to the pot. Add some salt to taste and the remaining seasonings. Now you add the turkey meat stock and the meat to the pot and stir properly. Stir very well. Then add your spring onions. I have just a little quantity. Cut your spinach and put it in a pot. Remember not to add water to this spinach because spinach has its own water. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And your comments will also be appreciated. Stir very well. And then cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Cover and cook for 3 to 5. It's going to help preserve the nutrients. I'm cooking my rice. Now stir and set aside. Our vegetable is ready now. You don't have to cook that long. Open it to avoid the heat from cooking the vegetables more. Now dish out your sauce and enjoy.